What's up, everybody? Hey, my daughter bought me some awesome new wireless earphones, and I love them. Been using them all day today. And as I've been thinking about everything that we're going to do in 2022, I've been contemplating this question I've been asking myself. I thought it might be valuable for you guys as you are refining, I should say, because you should have already built it, but your business plan for 2022. And one of the questions I've been asking myself all day is, have we made enough offers to our target audience? Meaning, are you saying the right thing to the right people and enough of those people? So are you putting out enough hooks in the water? Are you making enough offers to generate the level of conversations, to generate the level of activity that's required for you to hit your goals? And so whether those offers are made through cold calls or Facebook ads or PPC, pay-per-click, or seminars, just are you doing enough of it to hit your goals? And so as I was reflecting on our plan for 2022, I realized, hey, we're behind on making sure that we're executing this plan. We had a marketing meeting a couple weeks ago, and of course we had the holidays and all the rest come up, and I realized that we're behind on executing on this plan. We don't have enough hooks in the water to generate the level of activity and appointments that we want. And so this week, we're going to make sure that we change that. And so I ask you today, do you have enough offers going out to your target audience? Do you have enough hooks in the water? Talking about water, the little river back here on a finger of one of the rivers. I digress. Do you have enough hooks in the water? And the answer is no. Take this week to make sure that you implement that. I've always used this week between Christmas and the New Year to make sure that I keep myself learning, growing, and implementing many of these things that we said that we were going to execute on, but we just haven't quite made the time or found the time, because sometimes we get busy, or we prioritize our time, right? We choose to focus on other things, and this is one of those important things that you can't let fall to the wayside. You need to implement it, and you got to take swift action, and you got to do it at a big level. So, just my thought of the day. Hope you guys are doing well. As always, this is Rob Chavez with the Income Flip. Keep moving forward. I'm excited for the new year, and I hope you are too. Take care.